Any of the FastCap tape measures that have a grey surround on them means they are a flatback tape measure. Standard tape measures come with a curve on them which helps you actually extend them out if you're trying to do some longer work. The flatback basically means it'll lay flat, which is going to be fantastic for doing any of your accurate marking out rather than needing to kind of tilt your tape measure over. The other advantage also means you can use it for measuring around curved stuff, which you cannot do with a standard tape measure. This one being the metric True32 means also every 32mm spacing we have a little dot. This 32mm spacing is what is used for European cabinet making, setting out the heights of shelf fixings, the positions of the screws for cabinet kitchen hinges, and also the positioning of screws for drawer runners. It's a system that works through so many parts of European manufacturing. Also, 3 times 32 being 96 is the center points for the MFT holes that you might get in your Festool or other made worktops. All of the FastCap tape measures have some features which work across the board. So they all have a writing pad. So it's fantastic. You take your measurement, you can physically write on there wherever it might want to be so you don't forget it. When you finish with that and you're happy, just wet up your finger or your thumb and you can soon wipe that off. What they also have is a pencil sharpener built in. So you're out on site and your pencil sharp or your pencil's getting blunt, easily sharpening back up. We also have a really good spring belt clip. If you don't want to use the belt clip, just unscrew it and take it off if you're just going to use it within your workshop normally. Otherwise, use your belt clip just to hold your pencil, perhaps while you're working. For more detail of any of our FastCap tape measures, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Remember, we do ship worldwide. Look at us on our social media channels as well.